Working with bank account management requires me to do things like defining master data for banks, for house banks, bank accounts, and for house bank accounts. Let me show you an easy way to do all of that. From my SAP Fiori Launchpad, I open the Manage Banks app. To create a new bank, I select Create Bank. Here, I specify the bank country, bank key, and bank name. And then I save that bank. And there, I've created my bank. I want to continue on to create a house bank. So in the House Bank section, I choose the plus sign to create a house bank under this bank. I enter the company code and the house bank ID. I save, and now I've created my house bank. I want to create a bank account next, so I select Home to return to my SAP Fiori Launchpad. From here, I open the Manage Bank Accounts app. I choose the plus sign to start creating a new bank account. I specify the account number I enter a description for the account, and then specify a bank country. Then I select the bank under which the account is to be created. Next, I specify the bank account currency. Each bank account is mapped to a single currency. If my bank account supports multiple currencies, then it's very simple for me to create multiple account records here, each of them supporting a different currency. In the General Data section, I specify the required fields. If the account holder is the same as the company code, I can just leave it empty. I then specify the account type. If my bank has already provided me an IBAN, I can just enter it here in the IBAN field. If I don't yet have an IBAN, though, I can choose the IBAN button here to generate a system-proposed IBAN for this account, which I can then edit later if necessary. Now I want to create a house bank account for this bank account, so I select the House Bank Account Connectivity tab. If I need a new house bank, I can choose the Manage House Banks link to create one. I'll use the default ID category. The company code and house bank information are already there. I just need to specify a house bank account ID and then enter the GL account for this house bank account. I choose Apply and save my changes. And that's it. I've just created a bank, a house bank, a bank account, and a house bank account. It's easy, isn't it?